So why are we here today? There is an International Day of Light, just like there is an International Day of absolutely everything, and it's on May 16th, but nobody wants to sit in a symposium on May 16th, so we're here today. But why, a little bit more about that. So last year, we did our very first International Day of Light. It was a very small webinar with a partner, Community Health Partnerships Honduras. We had a local watch party. It was lovely. Kate, who you've probably heard from, she's been really significant in helping us plan this. She was an intern for me at the time. And this fall, we sat down, she came back, and we said, well, if we're having another International Day of Light, what should we do? And we came up with this idea of having a thought leadership symposium. And we kind of left it at that. We didn't have much more. Now, a lot of you who know me, I'm fairly analytical, I'm fairly logical, but sometimes I do think that when you put something good in the universe conspires to help make it happen. So fast forward a couple months, and Jeff Henley of Henley Hall, who we're sitting here right now, introduced us to the Oracle Foundation. And they said, we love what you're doing at Unite to Light, but we can't fund you with a grant because it's outside of kind of what we do at Oracle. And I said, okay, that's fine. But, she said, we can sponsor an event. Do you happen to have any events next year that we might want to sponsor? And I was like, oh, we're going to have a thought leadership symposium on the International Day of Light. And she said, that sounds absolutely amazing. Let's do that. So then we sat down with Sarah and Emily from Direct Relief in the winter this year and basically came up with a list of topics and a list of speakers. We said, if we're going to have an International Day of Light, if we really want to talk about the power of light, celebrate the power of light, but do more. Really think about what's next. How do we continue to advance power and light? How do we ensure that light is equitable, that everybody has access, that it's safe, it's resilient? Who do we want in this room? We made a list. Everybody said yes. We were blown away. So I'm so excited for you all to be here today. We have some amazing speakers, some great panelists. I think the discussion is just going to be phenomenal, and then we'll have a lunch afterwards that we'll talk about coming up. So. Before I get started, I also do just want to take a moment to thank our sponsors. Oracle is our presenting sponsor, but which is really this event could not have been done without just amazing partners. And so we're so grateful. And then just real quickly about Unite to Light. I know a lot of you know about us, but so Unite to Light was founded in 2010. We have a mission to bring light and power to people living without electricity. We've delivered over 285,000 solar lights to people in 80 countries. We have projects that help students read at night, midwives save lives. We offer hope and connection in times of disaster, and then also communication to our neighbors experiencing houselessness. We work through partnerships. We have a very small team. They're fantastic, but very small. But how we ensure that we get light to the places most in need are we work through partners. So we work with on-the-ground partners who have community knowledge, who know what the need is. And you're going to meet a lot of those partners today, and I'm really excited about that.